Hi students, this is Miss Reed. This slideshow is going to be about the Union, the military strengths, and the weaknesses of the Union before the Civil War. First thing I want you to notice is that the Union soldiers, they wore blue uniforms, so that way you can recognize them on the battlefield. All right, first let's look at the military strengths. The number one strength in the Union is that they had a larger population. This is a strength because the Union has more soldiers to send into battle. Another military strength is that the Union had more factories. This is a strength because the Union can produce more supplies for war, such as weapons and uniforms. Remember those interchangeable parts from the Industrial Revolution? Well, that's going to become very important for the Union to produce all the things they need to win the war. Another military strength is that the Union had more railroads. This is a strength because the Union can transport soldiers and supplies to the battlefields very quickly. All right, and the last military strength is that the Union is fighting for an honorable cause. They're fighting to end slavery. This is a strength because it gives soldiers a reason to fight hard on the battlefield. Now let's look at the military weaknesses of the Union during the Civil War. First is that the Union had poor military leadership at the start of the Civil War. Lincoln actually had 3 different generals hired before he hired Ulysses S. Grant. And the last weakness of the Union during the Civil War is that the Union fought an offensive war. That means all the battles took place inside the Confederacy. This is a weakness because the Union soldiers don't know the land and they are not able to get help from any of the civilians living near battlefields because those civilians consider Union soldiers to be enemies.